Hey guys, how's it going? So over the years, you've seen the good.
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
The bad.
Woo! Woo! Motherfucker! Oh shit!
And the ugly.
Oh.
So today, I'm going to show you the bike you've seen in all these videos, good and bad.
Guess that part's closed.
Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get it. Good job, Eva. Good job. Good job, Tiger. What's up, guys? So today, that's Eva, by the way. So today I want to do a bike check on my 2016 Intense M16 downhill bike. I know it's a 2016, but still my baby. What are you doing, crazy girl? So this is where I keep her. There she is in all her glory. 2016 Intense M16 in the raw finish. Of course, she's got Industry 9 hubs, front and rear. Laced to Spank Spike, 33 rims. Hope V4 brakes with the reach and pad contact adjustment knobs, front and rear, of course. For rotors, I'm running 203 millimeter floating rotors, but they're just the generic Braco brand. They aren't Hope, but my next ones will be. And I love my SDG USA saddle with a race face C-post. Custom valved avalanche rear suspension from a Fox vanilla body. Set up for this bike and my weight. And of course on that rear avalanche shock, I'm running the Fox SLS spring. Supposed to be as light as titanium. I don't know. That's what they say. Also, the Marzocchi 380 front fork, which is also custom valved for this bike and my weight and riding style. Atlas bars, Atlas stem. For grips, I run these old school lizard skin Northshore grips. Nice and fat, feel good in the hands. And believe it or not, I've actually got another brand new pair right here. You cannot get these suckers anymore. They don't make them. Bummer. Oh yeah, my Marzocchi needs a rebuild this winter. My custom cap, RDH. Helping me with the mud in some of my videos is the front Mucky Nutz fender with my Ricky Downhill decal. By the way, if you guys ever want one of these, I always have one on me, so let me know. Simple race face cranks, but man, these things have been awesome. With a race face chainring. And on the bash guard, I'm running the MRP mini bash guard. Love it. I had to get this guy replaced after I snapped my chain last season and it destroyed my last one. This is a really good guard. I really can't say anything bad about it. And keeping that old school thing going, I run the Shimano 636 clipless pedals. Yes, I run clipless. I love that float. Look at that. You can't get that in the new pedals. I've got the STFU chain slap device, which helps a lot. SRAM 7-speed rear derailleur and 7-speed cassette. Back this year I was running the Azigai tire, which I really liked, but the compound's super soft, so it wore out in one season. I usually run the Maxxis Minions DHF front and back, which is what I've got here. Of course, running the Cush core, front and back. Gotta have that. Gotta have that. And then obviously, the Intense aluminum, size medium frame. Those welds, look at those things. I still love aluminum, guys. Carbon's cool, but I love aluminum. And one of the reasons I love aluminum, and I love Intense, especially the spike, is right there. Made in the USA. None of the carbon is anymore. And like I said, the sound of that Industry 9. Can't beat that. Well, there you have it. I finally did a bike check video. I don't know why it took me so long to do it, but I finally did. Better late than never. But maybe there might be a reason I decided to do one now. Stay tuned. And also, if you like this video, tickle the like button. Come on guys, you know you want to. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. Did you know 90% of the people watching my videos aren't even subscribed? I don't get it. What's up? Subscribe, come on, subscribe. Anyway, here's to seeing you guys on the hill.